Hi and hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Many of you might have started your preparations for various entrance exams like JEE, NEET, SSC CGL, UPSC and MBA preparations like CAT, ZAT, GMAT. So in this segment what we will be doing is we'll be providing you various free resources with the help of which you can easily do your preparation. This video is going to talk about various free resources with the help of which you can prepare for your quantitative aptitude section. So let's get started. If we talk about the first thing that needs to be discussed is the conceptual knowledge. So how do you build that conceptual knowledge? How do you gain that? How do you master that conceptual knowledge? It is with the help of conceptual videos that are basically provided by various coaching institutes. You can also find some on the internet, but the main source that I prefer is the YouTube videos. You can search anything and everything on that. You can basically type in any type of concept that you're not able to understand, and you can go through those videos and basically easily able to understand the concept. Yeah, so what are the YouTube channels that I personally prefer? I personally prefer, first channel is Rodha, second channel you can go with is Study Buzz, third channel is Cat King. There are many other channels. I'll be linking all the channel links in the description column. You can just visit those, and what I will be doing is I will be categorizing the videos according to the chapters. Like for time, speed and distance, this is the chapter. Then for time and work, this is the chapter, and these are the videos linked to it. This is the video by Rodha, this is the video by Study Buzz. So what it will help you is categorization of all of the concepts. This is what we need. This is what I personally needed when I started my preparation, and I think this is what you might need when you start your preparation. Now suppose when I have mastered all my concepts, what is the next thing that I would like to do? I would like to practice those concepts in the type of questions. So suppose there is a chapter, there is the chapter time, speed and distance. So in the time, speed and distance, there is a concept relative speed. There are certain amount of questions from that concept. There is a concept circular motion. There are certain types of questions from that. There is a concept linear races. There are certain type of questions from that. So there are various type of questions. What I needed during my preparation was, I do one thing. जैसे रिलेटिव स्पीड के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको मेरे को एक कैटेगरी में दे दो टाइम्स, बट दिस डजंट हैपन, दिस कैटेगराइजेशन डजंट हैपन बिकॉज whenever these entrance exams put up these type of questions, they mix all of these concepts. So how do we master these concepts is with the practice of all of these types of questions. Now where do I practice all of these types of questions? If I'm doing all of my preparation free of cost, now I'll be linking certain websites that will help you, and apart from that a spreadsheet will be linked in the description box. You visit that spreadsheet, and what you will be finding there is different types of questions from different chapters, different concepts. So what it will help you is you master the concept, you practice that with the certain types of questions, and you get that concept, you did it with 100% ease. इसके बाद there is no scope left कि इसके बाद मुझे और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है उस चीज़ में. Apart from that, what you can do is, suppose I'm preparing for SSC. So SSC का previous year का जो पेपर है, last year का जो पेपर है, what I can do is I can search it on the net. It will be easily available on the internet, and I can solve all those questions that are present on that. So how it will help me is that कि मेरे को अपने जो मेरे type का entrance exam है उसके जो level of difficulty types of questions that will help me with that. I will be able to solve those types of questions more. So there is one and foremost important thing while you are practicing quantitative aptitude. What is that? It is the formula book. It is the secret recipe, the secret ingredient that the toppers use basically. So I will show you how my formula book looked like when I started my preparation. So you can see this is the time, speed and distance chapter that I'm in. So here's the topic. Here are the type of questions that are from, and here are extra notes while what I was doing is, so suppose I solved the question and I found something new that I haven't written in this, I used sticky notes and I put it up here. Then apart from that, if we move next, here are the certain formulas, solution to basic problems, application of problems, and various other types of questions. You might not be able to see this. This topic is relative speed. These are the type of questions. These might be coming in the mirror image, but I will be linking the first chapter only because it's hard to scan all of this book. So I'll be linking the first chapter, that is time, speed and distance, in the description column. What you can do is you can refer how I have written my formula book. I'll be putting up each and every chapter in the coming videos in the description column so that it becomes easy for me and you. What I have included in my formula book is first is the topic, that is as I'm talking about only time, speed and distance, बहुत ज़्यादा time, speed and distance हो गया, but let's stick to that only, time, speed and distance. Now इसमें सबसे पहला topic है relative speed. In the relative speed there are motions like when two trains are coming in the same direction, then they are coming in the opposite direction. Both of the formulas, both have certain types of questions. I have listed all of that. Then second comes suppose circular motion. Circular motion में there are certain formulas like the meeting points. How many meeting points, when we will be meeting at the first time, when we're meeting at the second time. There are certain types of questions with regards to that. What are those questions? I have listed all of those. So this is how I have, categorized all my notes, and at the end I have put some additional notes. So I have referred to Shweta Arora notes. I will be linking that too in that channel too in my description column. You can refer that. Her notes were very, very good. So I referred her notes and I saw the various gaps that were in my notes. I filled those with the help of her notes. So it is also mentioned here in my formula book. You can refer to it. And apart from that, I have an Academy formula book which was curated by Arun Sharma. So if you want that formula book, what you need to do is, as I've already mentioned in my LinkedIn post, you need to comment in my LinkedIn post, and you need to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. So that's all what I needed when I started my preparation. When you start your preparation, you're very uncertain about your journey. So you wanted to start at a free of cost. You want to see that is this really working for you. So this is how you start. You start with free resources and then you like to invest in it. So for such things, you can basically refer these types of things. You can even save the video and have these description columns marked up so that it helps you in your preparation journey. If I'm missing on anything, you can comment down in this comment section. One thing that I forgot to mention is that as I already said that I have Unacademy ka free formula book. Apart from that, I have Quantitative Aptitude by Arun Sharma. Also, I have the PDFs of that, logical reasoning and all of those books. What you can do is, if you want those books, I have linked my LinkedIn post in the description column again. You can visit the post and you can put down your name and DM me your email ID so that I can send it across. I'm not sending it across to each and every person. It will be a few of those because it takes a huge and a humongous time to get through it. So that's all for it. Thank you so much.